I'm horrible. I told myself I was gonna record from the beginning and I forgot. So I'm just gonna briefly explain like what I did to get to hair, because I'm really trying not to straighten my hair again, because I already straightened it. Like, it's only been a week and a half since the last time I straightened my hair. I'm doing it again because it got wet in the rain. Long story. But all right, so first, you can use any shampoo and conditioner probably. This is my first time trying this because Olaplex is really expensive. But I used the Olaplex number 0 and number 3. And I washed my hair with number 4 and 5. But really, use whatever shampoo conditioner you want. You will probably get the same result. I'm gonna give it a try when I press my hair, probably in a month or two. I need to relax with heat. I just bought this heat protector to use today. What brand is this? Fantasia hair polisher heat protector. And I'm using this I'm using this what is this? This is a Babyliss Pro. I believe this is a 1-inch, I think. But any Babyliss Pro. I'm not familiar with any other flat irons. I just saw this on TikTok and YouTube, and this is what all the girlies were using. And this silk press came out mad nice, so I ordered it. Usually it's like $160 for the flat iron. I can't do that. So the girlies on TikTok told me about a deal on Walmart.com, and it was the flat iron and a curling wand for $100. So you know how to get that. Save up your coins and go snag that. So I washed my hair, I blow dried it. I don't know if the blow dry makes a difference, but I love this blow dryer. This is the Revlon. Dang, I don't know what's the name of it for real. But if I upload this on YouTube, I'll put it in the description below. So I just washed my hair, blow dried it. And now I parted my hair in 4s. And now I'm just gonna show y'all how to straighten it. You know, y'all know how to wash your hair. You know, I don't need to show all that. I'm gonna just show y'all that you don't need to pay these people. I mean, if you got it like that, pay somebody the money to straighten your hair, because why not? Like, you know, treat yourself. But you know, I don't have the money to be, you know, just, you know, paying every 2 weeks or every month. And I cut my hair myself a little bit, but I don't care. It was just a little bit, so if it's uneven, I can always get it fixed. All right, let me show y'all. I already did this back part. Okay, now let me show y'all what I do. So I take a small part like this, like, you know, I part it like this much, and I split that. Why am I using a comb? Like, it's like I'm doing box braids. I just split that in 2. And what I use to chase, I guess it's called, I think it's chase. I use this brush. It's just a hard, like, paddle brush. So I put it underneath like that. I take my flat iron. By the way, my flat iron is on 35. I think that's like 350, 375. I recommend not putting it on 400. I go over the edges like 3-4 times. And I just pull. And I slowly, I only pass once. I'm really trying not to get heat damage, so I'm really chill out that it's time straightening my hair. But yeah. Boom. Now, let me do the next part. Put it right underneath. I'm mad hungry. Okay. don't mind my ends. I actually really do need a trim. I'm gonna try to book an appointment with this person I saw on Instagram that does just like blow dry, deep conditioner and trim, because I do need a trim. So I'll be curling it so you can't see that I need a trim. I still have a whole half left. That's the one thing about doing your own hair. You're saving money, but it's time consuming. But whatever, free silk presses whenever I want. Yeah. Oh, all right. See, that's too thin. It don't have to be. I'm gonna split this in two and call it a day. Okay. Bow. So this is split into two. And now my phone dying. Like I said, not a huge piece. Put that brush right underneath it. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I want to dye my hair ginger. Should I? Or should I do a different color? Oh, excuse me. I mean, I already bought the ginger dye, but I've been hesitant. Y'all, I done forgot to put heat protectant in the front. Too late now. It's okay. God, please bring my curls back. Like, nah, I straightened my hair before and my curls came back. You know, as long as you take a chill from heat, your curls will bounce back. And I heard Rollerplex helps, so that's my holy grail. I really don't know if it works for real, for really heat damage hair, because I don't have really heat damage hair. My hair is like not as curly as it can be, but it's not damaged. Yeah, see, I need a trim real bad, but we'll worry about that another day. Yeah, I just did the top part. I wasn't supposed to do that, but it doesn't matter. One, 2, 3. Oh, yeah. And just make sure the roots are good. I don't have to go over it. And now I'll just always split the section in two and do a little bump, because I just be thinking when it's straight and not like cut right, it just be looking nuts to me. So I do a little curl, and all you do is just like flip and pull through. Okay. This side is done. And I'll come back when I finish the rest, because y'all see my technique. There's no point. My phone's about to die. I'm gonna let it charge and come back when I do the rest. I know y'all see that silk press at home. Some stylists charge like 70, 80, but some be charging 150. Free 99. All right, I'm gonna be back when I'm done. Okay, y'all. I finished. You see? Body, not stiff. If you guys have someone to check the back of your head, please let them do it, because I see a part that could be straightened a little bit more. But yeah, have someone check your head. And that's how I do my own silk press at home. I'm gonna make sure I upload this. I've been saying I'm gonna upload on YouTube since like 2019, like 2020. But I'm gonna upload this. It's not my best, but it's a start. You guys can see. I mean, it's silky. Like, it's not like super bone straight, but it has body. And like I said, it's free. Oh, let me show you guys what I got from the beauty supply. And when my silk press get old, I plan on doing a braid ponytail. Since my hair is already straight, I can spray some Got To Be. I brought a doobie net. Can you just like put this on and like spin your hair? I look so goofy trying to figure this out. I wrapped my hair first, then put the net on in the end. Okay, I don't know if that's how it works. I'm probably ruining my hair. Okay. Yeah. This is my Thanksgiving look. I can always like refresh the curls or do the curls some better, give it some more body. But yeah. Let me do like a thumbnail. Okay. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for some more videos. I'm gonna start doing some vlogs of my college life, and yeah, I have nothing else to say. I showed you guys you can do a silk press at home without spending so much money when it's silk press season. And period. And once I wrap it, it's gonna be like even more flatter. But this is just day one. I know day two. Oh yeah, you know, a little clip. Okay, I want to try some styles with straight hair. I don't know what to do. Okay, let me go now. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos.